Next we have Dr. Tarang Krishna.
Okay, let me use this. Good morning, everyone. Beautiful morning for World Cancer Congress, and thanks to each one of you for coming here. Honorable dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Talwar sir, Dr. Shri H.S. Nagendra, Dr. K.S. Gopinath sir, Dr. Rath sir, Dr. Gupta sir, Dr. Lalit sir. It is a pleasure to have all of you here for World Cancer Congress. सर विथ हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट मैं डॉक्टर रथ सर से और डॉक्टर गुप्ता सर से एक बात पर डिफर करूंगा. आप लोग कह रहे हैं कि अगर एक कैंसर होना हुआ तो क्यों ना एक प्रोस्टेट कैंसर हो जाए बिकॉज उसकी क्योर रेट ज़्यादा है. सर अगर कैंसर स्पेशलिस्ट को कैंसर होने लगा तो कैंसर ठीक कौन करेगा? सर प्लीज़ ऐसा मत बोलिए बिकॉज वर्ल्ड कैंसर कांग्रेस इज ऑल अबाउट looking at other options. It is about seeing other options because cancer knows no boundaries. Yes, cancer has been spreading. Cancer has been spreading for each and every household. Every other household is for sure having a cancer patient. But then, when we are looking for other options, are we looking for options other than chemotherapy, surgery, and radiation? Are we looking for other options where, because when we have to look at cancer, we have to look at some comprehensive approach of making sure कि कैंसर किसी भी तरीके से हो, ठीक हो. वो कहते हैं ना कि महाभारत में सर जब अर्जुन था, अर्जुन खड़ा हुआ था एंड कृष्ण भगवान उसके सारथी थे, तब उन्होंने पूछा कि भाई मुझे कन्फ्यूजन हो रहा है, मैं कैसे करूं, मेरे सामने तो आगे खुद भाई बैठे हुए हैं, कैसे किया जाए. और तब कृष्ण ने बड़ी अच्छी बात बोली थी सर, वो मैं बताना चाहूँगा. भगवान कृष्ण ने कहा कि तू करता वो है जो तू चाहता है, पर होता वो है जो वो चाहता है. क्यों ना तू वो कर जो वो चाहता है, तो होगा वो जो तू चाहता है. तो सर somewhere down the line we all have to understand and believe that we all have to follow the rules of nature. Likewise, when so I'm Dr. Tarang Krishna, I'm from Cancer Healer Center. I'm a director in Cancer Healer Center, and we treat through immunotherapy. Immunotherapy under the system of CAM, which is complementary and alternative medicine, where we use natural medicines, natural herbs, all from plant and mineral kingdom, combine them and give it to cancer patients along with chemotherapy and radiation. So our centers, we have centers across India, we have 57 of them across India, and none of our centers stop chemotherapy, none of our centers stop radiation. This treatment goes in parallel with chemotherapy, this treatment goes in parallel with radiation, and the good thing is it prepares the body for tolerating chemotherapy, it prepares the body for tolerating radiation, it prepares the body even before surgery, because somewhere down the line it raises the immune system to such a level where the normal cells fight against the cancer cells. So that's about us. Well, World Cancer Congress, the thing does not end here. Actually मैं असली शुरुआत तब होगी जब हम कांग्रेस छोड़कर अपने अपने घर जाएंगे और वहाँ से फिर अपने वापस अपने ओपीडी में बैठेंगे, because the real work starts from when we leave Congress, because this is not just about discussions, this is not just about treatments, this is not just about integrative approach of taking sure or making sure about how cancer can be treated with a 360-degree approach. Cancer treatment would require a 360-degree approach, but the real work begins once we, all of us, leave Congress and go back home and sit down on our OPDs and treat one patient at a time. One patient at a time, because जब एक patient को cancer होता है, which is, so in Cancer Healer Center we call it as an OPAT theory, one patient at a time theory, which means that when you save a cancer patient, like I'm also a managing director in Indian Cancer Institute, IOSPL के प्रमोद जी यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं, and they are the ones who are managing it. So thank you so much for doing that. And they are the one who are even taking care of oncology in Fortis as well. And the good thing about OPAT is when you save a cancer patient, when you do a chemotherapy for a cancer patient, the entire family members of that family actually suffers. Patient cancer का एक नहीं होता, उसके पूरे परिवार को cancer होता है. The entire family is a cancer patient, right? So when you save a patient, you are not saving a patient itself, you are saving a family. And that is where all of us need to have that comprehensive approach with treating them with empathy and compassion, which all of us doctors do. But also to let the patient know that yes, there are treatments which can give him succor and relief even in advanced stages. If all of us are able to give them a better quality of life, if all of us are able to give them a great life to live in with great love and respect, like if he survives for years together, even of having cancer in his body, I think that's a win-win situation. तो सर जैसे आपने बताया कि संजय दत्त सर, मैं एक दो नाम और लूँगा, संजय दत्त, शर्मिला टैगोर, उन लोगों ने अगर एम्स का ट्रीटमेंट लिया है तो उन्होंने कैंसर सेंटर का भी ट्रीटमेंट लिया है सर. So and it gives me immense pride in saying that because we don't stop their chemotherapy. I mean, अगर शर्मिला जी ने अगर कीमोथेरेपी कराई तो yes उन्होंने हमारा ट्रीटमेंट भी लिया, उन्होंने नहीं छोड़ा. And that really helped her to tolerate chemo. That really helped her in tolerating the side effects of chemotherapy. If we are able to mitigate the side effects of chemotherapy, I think it's a win-win situation for us. So finally, as doctors, हमें क्या चाहिए? मरीज ठीक हो. Finally, as doctors, what we want is that, you know, the patient should live with a great quality of life. If that patient is able to live with a great quality of life and we save a family, I think as an oncologist or as a cancer physician or anybody who's treating cancer would earn millions and millions of blessings, because you are actually thinking of treating a patient, but you are actually treating a family. And पूरी family जब बचती है, imagine दुआएं 10x, 20x, 100x आती है. So World Cancer Congress is all about the integrative approach of treating cancer, combining all the systems whatsoever possible, where we are able to serve patients with complete love and respect. Thank you so much to each one of you for coming to World Cancer Congress. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Dr. Raj sir, Dr. Gopinath sir, because it is because of you when you come to our center, I said that no, we are going ahead with it. Thank you, Dr. Talwar sir, for gracing the occasion. You are always a source of inspiration. 97 years में अगर लोग बिना support के ऐसे चल रहे हैं sir, I'm sure century दूर नहीं है, and you are a source of inspiration. This is what is immunity all about, and this is what the magic of immunity is. So let us all learn from him and get inspired from him of what immunity is all about. Thank you, Dr. Gupta sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.